Happy New Year from Southwest Florida. This is Billy Sova with Jones & Co. Realty. I hope you and your family had a beautiful holiday season and that 2022 is off to a terrific start for you. I thought I would just pop in real quickly and give you a quick market update. And as we reflect upon this past year, the real estate market was crazy. I don't think anybody can argue that, whether you were in Southwest Florida or anywhere else in the nation. The entire country is experiencing a shortage of inventory, inflated prices, and bidding wars, and we are no different. If you've been watching the market down here, I share your frustration because every month the prices continued to increase and the inventory continued to decrease. And as we wrapped up 2021, we wrapped it up with a bang. The median home price was $404,000, up $84,000 from December 2020, and the average sales price was $665,000, up $113,000 from December 2020. Now, I tend to usually like to use the median sales price more than the average sales price because I think the median sales price is more accurate. The median sales price is right there. It's in the middle. Half the homes below the median sales price sold for less than $404, and the other half sold for above $404. Where the average sales price, that data can be skewed depending on the month, because some months you might have a substantially high sales price, which will make the numbers much higher. So I like to use the median, but I still wanted to give you the difference. Bottom line is prices continue to increase and our market is hot, hot, hot. I probably get asked at least a dozen times a day, do I think the market is going to crash in 2022? I can honestly say no, I don't think it's going to crash. Now, I don't have a crystal ball, so what I'm giving you right now is just my opinion. But I do think we are going to see things slow down compared to last year. And the reason I say that is we're going to see some big price increases when it comes to interest rates. Now, we still have a shortage of inventory, and that's going to keep driving prices up. But come April 1st, we just got notice last week from Fannie Mae that they are going to increase the loan amount on second homes, which is going to impact the Southwest Florida market, I think, substantially. What that means to you, it's probably a lot of mortgage mumbo jumbo, but basically what that means to you, if you're looking for a vacation home, if it's not your primary residence, interest rates are typically higher on a second home than it is on your primary home anyway. But as of April 1st, they're going to increase. So for a simple scenario, since we know the median home price as of now is $404,000, for easy math, let's say you found a vacation home you loved, we put in an offer, they accepted it, purchase price is $400,000. You're putting down 20%, so you're financing $320,000. At the current interest rate as of today, your monthly payment would be about $1,459 a month. So if you want to keep $1,459 as your monthly payment, come April 1st, now instead of looking at $400,000 homes, we are only going to be able to look at $355,000 homes. Because of the increase in the interest rates, you have now lost over 10% of your buying power. That's huge, you guys, especially if we keep seeing price increases like we did last year. And it's not just going to be second homes, because we've all heard that the Federal Reserve is talking about having at least 3 or 4 interest rate hikes in 2022. So it's going to affect everybody. And as mortgage rates increase, your buying power decreases, and that's going to push a lot of people out of the market. So there's going to be a lot less competition, I think, by the end of 2022. But as people scramble to get in on these interest rates before we start seeing an increase, I do think the first quarter is going to be pretty crazy and pretty hot. So that's my opinion on the market. I do have a podcast. If you'd much rather tune into the podcast than look at my ugly mug, I do a podcast every other week. It's called Southwest Florida Realty with Billy Silva. I think I've sent you probably links in the past, but feel free. It's on Apple and all the different podcast websites. So anyhow, Happy New Year to you and yours, and I wish you much happiness, good health for the coming year, and hopefully we'll be able to find you a home.